nerdy viewers out there. Scott and Allison back with another Skoolie conversion episode.
We want to wish all the nerdy moms out there a very happy Mother's Day.
And a special thanks to our moms who got us up every morning on the school bus. Now we're going to live in one.
Our master bedroom is starting to take shape, and we finally got rid of those leaky emergency hatches.
Check it out as we work on the master bedroom, install 2 new skylights, and pray that this next round of sealing fixes our leak issues. As always, if you like our beautiful faces, subscribe to our channel below.
We are very, very, very close to our first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we are trying to get our videos out as quickly as Scott can produce them. So wish us luck. We're going to try to get one video out a week. We'll see.
As always, if you have any comments, concerns, or just want to chat, leave us a comment below and we can continue the conversation. Now let's get to work. The last day before Dan left for Texas, we tried to wrap up as many projects as we could.
This meant building out the floor supports for the master bedroom so we can start walking back there.
We wanted to have underfloor storage in the bedroom as well, and our support plan gave us 2 decently large doors to access it.
While the guys did that, I wanted to make sure we were doing our best to insulate the bedroom. I took to using some old Reflectix we had lying around and went to insulating the bedroom. Grabbed some liquid nails and I got to work.
We also wanted to make sure the doggos had enough ventilation, so we cut a few 3/4 inch holes at the top and bottom of the crate. Holes cut.
Doggy crate number 1. Doggy crate number 2. Okay, so down here in front of our bed area, we decided that we wanted some extra storage. Scott built these storage areas down into the floor themselves, and then we decided to take some trim and line all the way around this space. This was important for a couple reasons, mainly because when we apply the hinges, we wanted to make sure we'd have the space to be able to open the doors and set them back down. So we've got a heavy piece of plywood that goes right here, similar to this one. And we're going to attach our door handles over on this end so they're kind of out of the way and not causing any issues. And they won't interfere with the dog crates at all, except obviously when they're open. The doors are going to open like this, handles being on this side, and we'll have hinges running along this piece. We're going to use a piano hinge to attach the wood, the actual door portion, to this piece of trim right here. Up here in the front of our bed, we're going to use this as our laundry storage area. We're going to attach some hardware that allows it to be sort of a kick plate function where you can press it and it'll open. And that's where we'll put all of our dirty laundry. And we'll have good ventilation and everything. And then all underneath the bed is going to be all storage, mostly our garage area.
Okay, working on the emergency hatch. The sealant that we put on there just kind of peels right off. This stuff right here, you can get a piece of it and it will just peel right off. So sealing over this silicone roof, it really isn't attached to it. After we got the stuff off, we hit the screws and got the hatches off the roof.
Lucky for us, the screws came out without any issues.
After we pried off the hatches, the real task began. When you're taking off this sealant that is under the hatches, you can see here it's kind of like rubber cement, that you can get a chunk of it and kind of use it to pull off the other pieces. We purchased two 24 by 24 inch skylights to replace the emergency hatches.
Butyl tape is a must when mounting anything on the roof. We added a strip down each side before flipping it over.
The skylight had a couple of already perforated points to screw to the roof for us.
Unfortunately, the perforated points were too spaced out and we doubled up on the self-tapping screws.
After we mounted the skylights, we sealed the edge and each screw with die-core self-leveling lap seal.
In an effort to fix our leak issues, we decided to apply Henry's 885 Seam and Repair Roof Sealant.
This stuff is super pasty, and we have really high hopes for this product. It wasn't the easiest to apply, but after brushing it onto the first seam, I got the hang of it. As always, thanks for watching our episode, and don't forget to subscribe below.
And please take a second and join the conversation over on Facebook or Instagram, and you can follow along and see all of our ridiculous pictures.
Two nerds out.